We've already been told we have to be on our best behavior tonight.
Okay, did you hear the one about...
No. No, everything's great up there. Everything's great in Washington, and there's nothing to talk about. And
They're in love again. I seen them on Martha's Vineyard yesterday, just holding hands and
okay, good.
rolling in a boat.
Okay, stop.
Had their little dog out there with... Love is in the air.
Stop. Here, they gave us these little notes that we're supposed to go by, and they told me to try to keep you kind of sedated and on the level. And
They don't want sedation. If they wanted sedation, they'd go to an early service. They don't care, you know. They got that attitude. Did y'all hear about the two old boys in a boat? And they had a shipwreck, just the two of them out on this little old bitty island. And this one old boy just panicked. I mean, he's walking back and forth. And the whole time he's going, we're going to die. We're going to die. No food, no water. Nobody knows where we're at. We're going to die. He looked at his buddy, and he's just kind of sitting over there and had his arms folded. He said, man, you ain't too excited about this. He said, I'm not worried. He said, did you not hear what I said? We're going to die. Nobody knows where we're at. We have no food, no water. He said, man, I'm not worried. I make $100,000 a week. He said, 100? That's great, but what does that have to do with our situation? He said, I told you I make $100,000 a week. I tithe on that money. My pastor will find me. That was all the Baptists that clapped. Yeah. The Methodists were going. Where does he work? How you been? I hadn't saw you in a long time.
I saw you this afternoon.
Well, that's a long time.
Okay. Well, the first group that we get to introduce is a group that I've known since 1979. I joined the Cathedrals in 1979, and one of the very first places that we sang was in Detroit, Michigan, and we sang with this group right here. They have traveled for about 35, 40 years. I don't know exactly how long, but it's been a long time. They started with 4 brothers. Originally, there were 4 brothers that traveled together, and now there's one remaining brother, and then their sons and nephews, and all those people travel with them. And they have a great legacy in gospel music, and they're one of the very few quartets originally from the North. So I tell you what I want you to do. I want you to give a good Southern welcome to the Tony